Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack with Zapier using AI summarization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Slack with Zapier using AI summarization, begin by signing in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one. Next, access the Zapier dashboard. Click the Make a Zap button. Choose Slack as your trigger app. Select the trigger event that suits your needs. For example, you might want to choose New Message Posted to Channel. Connect your Slack account by authorizing Zapier to access it. After connecting, select the Slack channel you want to monitor. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Now, move on to the action step by clicking Add Action. Search for and select the AI summarization tool you prefer. Choose the action event, such as Create Summary. Connect your AI summarization tool account if prompted. In the action setup, map the message text from Slack to the input field of the summarization tool. Configure any additional settings, like context or keywords, if available. Once everything is set, click to test this action. Look for a summary output to make sure it's working as expected. If the test is successful, proceed to the next step by clicking Continue. Finally, give your Zap a name for easy identification. Turn on your Zap to activate the integration. Your Slack messages will now be summarized automatically using the AI tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.